Today's easy lunch is a smoothie. I'll be using a Magic Bullet, Wyman's Mango Berry, Chobani Greek Yogurt, one organic banana, and greens freshly picked from the yard. There's chickweed, and I've already rinsed these. Purple dead nettle, peck, and a teeny tiny bit of shepherd's purse leaves. All these will go in the blender with the banana, the fruit, and I'll be composting this peel. Making a mess. Boop. And smush it in there real good. Add some of this. I'm not going to use the whole thing for probiotics. And I don't always use dairy products. This just happened to be on sale, and my friend shared one with me. So, go sharing group. All right, now I've got this good and full. I'm gonna blend it up. It'll be pretty loud, but that's an easy smoothie. If I want it more liquid, I'll add some more after I blend it. But there you go, super easy smoothie.